Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
Oh no. My white shirt.
Is that a secret painting, Dad?
A secret painting? No, I am stuck.
Wow, it is raining coffee.
The coffee is raining indeed.
It is too quiet.
They are looking at us.
I feel very nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous, Dad?
I am scared to ask for help.
Are you lost, Dad?
Yes, Leo. I am lost.
Take a deep breath, Arthur. We are safe.
Okay. We are safe.
I will discover a way to help.
Just a moment, please.
Look! He has a white treasure. A white treasure to save Dad.
I must be brave now.
Hello. Is everything okay here?
Excuse me. We made a mess.
A mess? That is no problem. You are safe.
Can we have some napkins, please?
Yes, of course. Here are the napkins.
It is not a dark mystery.
Not a mystery, Arthur. It is easy.
Are you okay, sir? Your shirt is wet. My shirt is wet. I feel stuck.
Don't be stuck, Dad. Be brave.
Be brave? Okay, Leo. I will try.
No need to say sorry. It happens often. And I will bring you a new hot coffee.
A new coffee? Thank you very much.
Dad gets a new coffee for his secret painting.
Yes, a very ancient and secret painting.
Here, Messiah.
I am proud of myself today.
This place is truly beautiful.
Here is your new hot coffee.
And here you are, Sir.
Thank you. It smells like a treasure.
A hot treasure. Drink it carefully, Dad.
Yes, I will be very safe.
Oh, my wallet is not here.
Not here? Are you sure, Arthur?
Is that me?
I am sure it is lost.
Lost? Are we stuck here, Dad?
We are not stuck. Don't be scared.
Sir? Is it in the bag?
In the bag? Let me check.
Let us discover the secret inside.
I've found it. The hidden treasure.
Thank you. I was really nervous.
This sweet cake is a real treasure. Yes, the cake is a great treasure.
This is for you. Thank you. Have a beautiful day, family.
This is truly beautiful and peaceful.
This quiet moment is a beautiful treasure.
Look at the small bird. It is very brave.
Are you full, Leo? No more sweet treasure?
The stain is sticky. I need clean water.
Word.
Water is good. You can find the washroom.
Find the washroom? I am a bit lost.
Lost again, Dad? You need a secret map.
No secret map for me. I must be brave.
Yes, be brave. Ask the manager for the way.
Okay. I will ask the manager right now.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Excuse me. I have a mess. Where is the washroom?
The washroom? It is down that hallway, sir.
Down the hallway. Is it a dark mystery?
No mystery, sir. Just a safe washroom.
Thank you very much. I am very proud.
There is the ancient wooden door.
Time to discover some clean water.
This is a beautiful and safe place.
I must clean this big stain now. The cold water feels very peaceful.
The secret stain is going away.
This coffee shop is incredibly safe.
I am drawing a secret treasure map. A secret treasure map? Where is the ancient gold? The ancient gold is over there. We must be brave.
You are both very brave explorers today.
I am very proud. The mess is gone.
My beautiful family is waiting for me.
I am back. No more brown stain.
No more brown stain? That is a great success.
The ancient secret painting is fully washed away.
Yes, the painting is gone. I feel very safe. Yes, the painting is gone. I feel very safe.
Be very careful with the new coffee, Dad.
I will be careful. I do not want to be stuck again.
Today was a very interesting adventure for us.
First, I made a big mess. I was very nervous.
Then, we were brave. We asked for some clean napkins.
And now we are totally safe and very happy.
The new coffee smells very beautiful.
I want to clean the white plate, Dad.
Clean the plate? That is very kind, Leo.
But the waiter will clean the table for us.
I understand. The waiter will clean it. No mess. Look outside. The beautiful sunlight is hiding now.
The sunlight is hiding? I think rain is coming.
Rain is coming.
but we are completely safe inside.
The rain is tapping on the large glass window.
The rain is very peaceful. Nature can be gentle.
We have a red umbrella. We are so safe!
A red umbrella? You are a very smart boy.
A smart boy indeed. We are completely safe now.
We solve problems together. We are a great team.
A red umbrella is perfect for this gentle rain.
Yes, it is perfect. Thank you for everything today.
Our little adventure in this beautiful shop is about to end.
I am ready. Let's go out into the rain. We will discover more beautiful things in the rain.
Yes, let's go. Making a mess helps us learn.
It is time to go into the rain.
Thank you, Arthur. You are very kind.
The red umbrella is a great treasure. The street is very quiet and peaceful.
Goodbye, beautiful shop. I am not scared.
Small accidents are a normal part of life.
Be brave. Say sorry when you make a mess.
Use simple English words. The world is very safe.
Our family is perfectly safe and beautiful.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.